Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to get swing 11, 12, 13, and 14 in Geometry Dash. First step is check your swing icons, so open the icon kit and navigate to the swing icons section. So you will see which swing icons you currently have unlocked and which ones, which are the 11 to 12, are still locked. So next is access map packs. So go to the map packs section from the main menu. So these special level bundles reward you with unique icons when completed. So include the swing icons 11 to 14 and then just play through the map packs level. The swing game mode is featured in many of these levels, so giving you practice while work toward the icon rewards. Next is after completing the required map packs, you will unlock swing icons 11, 12, 13, and 14. Each completion rewards you with a celebration screen showing your new icon. Lastly is check your icon kit to confirm all swing icons 11 to 14 are now unlocked with green check marks. So equip your favorite and show it off in swing sections. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!